everyone to the South Zonal Conference for Monitoring and Review of PM Swanidhi scheme by Honorable Minister of State, Ministry of Finance, Government of India, Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karat, being held at Bangalore, Karnataka. I would like to wholeheartedly welcome Shri Rahul Kapoor, Joint Secretary and Mission Director, DNLM PM Swanidhi, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India.
Today we stand at 42.17 lakh disbursement.
बाकी 2 बार एक समावेश कर दिया, तो समावेश में लास्ट टाइम एक बड़ा प्रोग्राम बना दिया। दिस ईयर अक्टूबर में है, मैंगलोर में स्ट्रीट वेंडर नहीं है, वो प्रॉब्लम।
So even if they have the shops and they are working in that, I think definitely we can finance that.
We have been tirelessly working with the ULBs as well as the banks to ensure that all the directions which is being given to us by Mahua as well as the Prime Minister's office is being meticulously followed. So ever since the Pragati meeting, we have been following up continuously with the ULBs and ensuring that the application which needs to be mobilized in commensurate with the target is also achieved. And we have also been constantly pursuing with the banks to ensure that whatever sanction and disbursement pendency as well as the return by banks to the ULBs also gets expedited. So just to explain a snapshot of the whole program as far as Karnataka was concerned, as per the old initial targets till the month of July, we had reached almost an 80% of achievement, where our target was around 2,50,000. Now our target has been revised to 3,13,000 as far as the first loan is concerned, in which we have been able to complete disbursement of around 71%, around 2,22,000. And as far as the second loan is concerned, for a target of 1,10,000, we have been able to disburse 72,000. So as far as the second loan and the third loan is concerned, the matter of great concern is, one, the banks need to close these loan applications and it has to be again forwarded to the ULBs. And the ULBs in turn have to go to the street vendor, get their number, get the specific OTP and reapply. So this is the process for the second and third term, and both the ULBs as well as the banks need to ensure, as Honorable Minister Sir has already directed, that we need to complete this process also, so that the gap in the second and third loan can be easily achieved.
हम इसी में जो कुछ टाइम पीरियड में हम काम कर सकते हैं, और इसके बाद अभी तो ये ड्राइव चल रहा है कि अवेयरनेस टू गिव द लोन्स टू दिस पीपल। इसके बाद हम कैंप भी करेंगे, ज़्यादा अगर नंबर तो हम कैंप करके और उनको मोटिवेशन दे सकते हैं। इसके बाद एक नेशनल अवार्ड्स भी दिया है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के माध्यम से, नेशनल अवार्ड फॉर जिन्होंने अच्छा काम किया है। ये स्कीम के बारे में जो अलग अलग स्कीम्स हैं, सैकड़ों स्कीम्स, लेकिन ये स्कीम को प्रधानमंत्री स्वनिधि योजना को 21-22 में अवार्ड मिला था। अच्छा स्कीम है और अच्छा काम हो रहा है, तो हमें सभी के प्रयास के माध्यम से ये स्कीम तो हर जगह, जैसे राहुल जी ने बताया कि हर जगह ये काम हो रहा है, काम अच्छा हो रहा है। हमारा टारगेट जो है 1 सितंबर तक, जो हमारे अलग अलग क्षेत्र में जाके हम कैंप ले रहे, तो टारगेट तो पूरा हो जाएगा। सिर्फ वाराणसी का जो टारगेट जो था तो वो पहले ही था, 1 सितंबर के पहला था, लेकिन उधर से ULB से रिक्वेस्ट आई कि हम अभी PM साहब आए थे और अभी वो बड़ा सम्मेलन हो चुका है, तो हम 4 सितंबर को ले रहे हैं। तो विथ ऑल एफर्ट्स फ्रॉम एवरीबडी वी विल अचीव आवर टारगेट, एंड हमारा जो ध्येय है, हमारी 3rd लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी बनाना है।
Are there in rural and semi-urban branches. So far we have sanctioned around 88%, sir, out of 15,425 applications. 30,512 we have already sanctioned, sir. Whereas disbursement out of this sanction is 83%. We have a pendency of 2,292, sir. By 4th September it will be clear, sir.
You tried to complete?
Yes.
Last month around 500 applications we have mobilized, sir. And in last 15 days we have mobilized 500 applications.
So in the last 2 months we have mobilized around 1,400 applications, sir. Now also we have around 500 applications we have already collected.
204 targets. We have achieved 5,462. We have to achieve 3,742 of it. By September we will achieve.
So we had a target of 6,700
513, sir. And we had achieved 6,000 applications we had mobilized, sir. But past 3 days we have organized several camps, sir, and we have mobilized around 700 applications, sir. It will be reflected in another 2-3 days, sir.
4708, sir. Already we have achieved 4602, sir. Only 102 are pending. Within 2-3 days we will complete.
We were able to address all the gaps, sir. Yet 500 applications are about to be sanctioned, and around 200 applications has to be disbursed. We are continuously coordinating with all the bank and branch managers, sir.
Sir, myself Devraj, a city mission manager of Bellary Corporation. On behalf of Commission, I have attended this meeting.
So Bellary has achieved its target. So I think
Yes, more than the target.
should appreciate him by giving the clap.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. It's my pleasure, sir.
But that doesn't mean that you should stop. You should remain on the top.
I will not stop because
next time you will
I will
see
do
it
more.
up to
I will do more,
200%.
sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.